Hello, hello! It is time for hashtag Postmas 2024. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this card sketch created by Katarina. And I'm going to show you how to create this card in under 10 minutes. Super quick, simple, so let's do it together. For my first card, I'm going to use 6 by 12 inches card base. I'm going to fold it in half and burnish it. Super quick and simple. And that is the card base. And now we have to decorate it. I decided to use dark blue color, and I need to create a panel that measures 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to use some patterned card that I got from Lidl last year. And today I decided to use some snowflakes because why not? Actually, the weather is getting a little bit colder, so I thought today is the day. So I've got two versions here, and I'm going to start with the darker colors first. And I'm going to create the panel measuring 5.5 by 5.5 of an inch. I'm going to assemble those two together, and then I'm going to create another element. If you haven't seen my two videos from hashtag Postmas 2024, it is hosted by Katarina. Monica Papermona also takes part in this collaboration. All the information is in the description down below. So we're going to give you 12 different video inspirations to create Christmas cards that are very easy to post. So today is day number 3, where we're going to create a card based on a sketch. And as I told you, this one is designed by Katarina. And I also left the link to her Buy Me a Coffee website where you can get this card sketch. So don't forget to check all the details in the description down below. Now for one of the elements on the card, I'm going to use a ribbon from my stash. It actually has a sentiment in Polish which says Merry Christmas, and I thought that would be such a nice variation on this card. I'm going to use sellotape just to secure it, and now I can create another panel. But before I do it, I can assemble it at the front of the card. As you can see, I'm using my liquid glue because I do have time to maneuver my square. I really like to create 6 by 6 inches cards, and this challenge is perfect. So if you want to get ready for Christmas, you can check our hashtag Postmas 2024. Every single day we're going to have a different inspiration for you. Now I've got a square measuring 3.5 by 3.5 of an inch, and using the lighter color snowflake design paper, I'm going to create the square measuring 3 by 3 inches. When they are ready, I can assemble them together. So if you want to check all the inspiration, you can check the description down below, but I'm also going to leave Monica's and Katarina's videos at the end of this one, so you can easily find them. And when you use that hashtag, you can find even more inspiration. So if you want to get ready for Christmas, you can create our Christmas cards with us. And then when you use that hashtag on your social media, it will be so easy to find them. Now I'm going to create the smallest square, and I'm going to use the same design paper that I use for my background. And I'm going to create a square measuring 1.25 by 1.25 of an inch. You can use whatever is in your stash to create those beautiful Christmas cards. So don't wait and craft with us. There is lots of inspiration coming your way. So now it is time for a sentiment. And if you haven't seen my 2 previous videos, I do have the sentiments for you for free on Buy Me a Coffee website. In Polish, the one that you can see here, but also the English version as well. So now we're going to create a banner using that sentiment, and I decided to use the same dark blue color for the beautiful border. And it works really, really well because all the elements are going to match on my card. How often do you use design papers with snowflakes? Is that something that you like to use for Christmas? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to use my trimmer from Craft Stash, and I'm going to cut the banner a little bit. so that border is even on all the sides. And when this is ready, then I'm going to use my scissors to create that fishtail. Super quick and simple. As you can see, this cut is completely flat, so it goes very easily in a flat envelope. So it's ready to post. And don't forget to check Katarina's and Monica's Paper Mona videos. All the links are in the description down below. So when this is ready, I can assemble it here. And at this point, I thought something is missing. And as I told you, I created this card in under 10 minutes. So yes, you can create those Christmas cards in a very short time. So I had a look at my stash and I decided to use a little bit of glitter. And this one is from Crafter's Companion. I can't even remember what collection is it from. It doesn't really matter, but I'm going to use it anyway. It has a little bit of sparkle, and I thought it would go so well with the snowflakes on the design paper. I'm creating some very small dots with my liquid glue. And then I'm going to sprinkle all that chunky glitter here. And it does have that beautiful shine to it. I think it is great. I'm not a huge fan of glitter, but this one is not that bad. It is pretty big. So as you can see, I'm using my scrap piece of paper underneath. So when I sprinkle that glitter, every single thing goes on the scrap paper. So then I can easily put it back in that bottle. And I do recommend use the same technique because whenever you use glitter, it literally goes everywhere. So now I'm going to add a little bit more glue on the sides to create that very nice element. And to be honest, maybe in the video you don't really see it, but in real life the sparkle is absolutely amazing. And as I told you, every single day for hashtag Postmas 2024, we're going to have a different inspiration for you. So far, we had a fanciful, traditional color scheme for Christmas, and this card sketch tomorrow is going to be one of my favorite styles. And it will be flat, but when you open it, it's not going to be flat. So stay tuned for that inspiration as well, especially if you're new to my channel. And it would be great if you can subscribe to Katarina's and Paper Mona's YouTube channels as well. Their videos are absolutely brilliant. So now I'm going to put that chunky glitter away and make sure it is safe. And the cut is complete. Super quick and simple, right? And it is under 10 minutes. So if you like this Christmas challenge, I really hope you'll take part in it just for fun. All you have to do is to create some flat cards. You can use some of our inspiration, and today is card layout number 1 created by Katarina. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And stay tuned for more videos coming your way tomorrow. Happy crafting!